Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to change the internal battery in an Acura RLX key fob. This key fob was used between 2014 and 2020 and uses a CR2032 battery. If you want to get one of these batteries, I will leave a link in the description down below to get one on Amazon. It's just a couple bucks, really cheap, and then you can do this entire process yourself at home. First step, just locate the little switch here on the front of the key fob. Push it down, and you can just pull out your internal key. Now, looking at the back of the key fob and paying attention to this little metal key ring, this little space between them is where we want to put our flathead screwdriver. Let me show you. We're going to take a flathead, and between the back and this little piece of metal here, we're going to insert it down until it feels secure there. Going to put it in between those two, hold firmly, but just gently twist, and you'll feel a little pop, and we have a little separation on the side. I want you now to come in that area, twist, work your way down, and twist until the whole thing comes apart. We just don't want to damage it, so just take your time, be gentle. Same thing here. We're going to insert our tool under the battery and pop it up, gently, carefully. Once you get under the battery, it will just come out very nicely. Here's our CR2032. Take a new one. Make sure this positive side with the battery info goes face up, like so. And you can just slide it into place on one side and click the other side down. And that's it. All you need to do is click these two back together. Make sure your light comes on. And you're done. If this video helped you out, feel free to like or comment. And for a full guide on this key fob or any other Acura key fob, click the link in the description to go to fobbattery.com. Thank you for watching.